Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can view slides in your PowerPoint presentations side by side. So let us get started. So guys, if you'd like to see most of your or several of your slides in your presentation side by side, not as a list like we see here on the left hand side in that presentation, but here, for example, 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 of them side by side as a preview or overview. Let me show you how to do that, guys. It is actually very simple. Switch from the Home tab here in your PowerPoint presentation to the View tab. And what you want to do, guys, is switch from normal here on the presentation views to Slide Sorter. That is going to give you an overview of all slides within your presentation so that you may, for example, scroll through it and see these slides side by side. 1, 2, 3. So you can see, for example, 9 on one page here. To, for example, compare them with each other. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.